Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your 47Skin subscription, or you can say how to unsubscribe your auto deliveries of 47Skin serums and all. Okay, so basically there is only one method by which you can cancel your subscription very easily, that is like contact information by email. Okay, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see on your screen. You can screenshot this page, or you can pause my video. You can note down this format, and you can also take help with the chat GPT, and you can compose this email related to I want to cancel your subscription. You need to provide your account number, account subscription plan, starting date, end date, and each and everything you need to provide, and you need to send this email at their physical, you can like this email address like customercare@47.com. So this is the email address of 47Skin serums and all. Okay, so once you send this email at their customer support team, once they receive your email, they will contact you soon and they will ask you some questions, and you can provide in the email your phone number, and you can ask proof of cancellation, by which they will get in touch with you, and they will cancel your subscription very easily by using this method. This is the only method, easy method, and that's it. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.